guys? It's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Leze Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how you can get started with Pinduoduo, a Chinese e-commerce website. A lot of people have been chatting me, asking me a lot of questions about the cheapest website than 1688. So one of the cheapest websites than 1688 is called Pinduoduo. Pinduoduo website is also a commerce platform for Chinese people and other foreign countries to make a purchase at a very cheaper rate. It is of no doubt that Pinduoduo is very much cheaper than 1688. And one other thing about Pinduoduo app is that you can easily pay with your local card. That is, if you don't have Alipay, you are good to go to pay with WeChat. But the most important thing is that you need to have a WeChat verification and WeChat, a functional WeChat that can make payment, and you need to just download the Pinduoduo app. So from there, you'll be able to purchase whatsoever you want to purchase from the Pinduoduo website. So let's get started with today's practical class. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is how you can actually download the real Pinduoduo app so that you don't make a mistake when you are trying to download and install the app. So let's go to my Google Play Store and download the Pinduoduo. So here is my Play Store. Then I'm going to do is to make use of search bar from the top here. Then I'm going to type in Pinduoduo. So you can see from the screen right here, I'm going to click on it. Now, this is the right application for the cheapest website than 1688. All you have to do is to download this app and install it on your phone. So what I'm going to do now is to click on install. So you can see that the app is beginning to install, and within a few minutes it's going to install on my phone. Then we see how the interface look like. So guys, you can see that the app has been successfully installed on my phone. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on open. Then the next thing you have to do here is to click on the green button. Then the next step is to click on allow. Then click on green button. So you're going to load your WeChat interface. You will be asked to log in with your WeChat account. So you can see my WeChat has been automatically connected at this point. So I'm going to click on agree. I'm going to click on close button here. This icon here, I'm going to click on it to close. So guys, this is how you can actually set up your cheapest website at 1688 app. So you download the app from the Play Store. Then after download the app, install it on your phone. After the installation, connect it with your WeChat account. Then from there, you'll be able to log in successfully to the app. So if you are very new to my channel, please click like button for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are very new to this channel. And this is the site, and in the nearest future, I will make a lot of video about how you can actually use this cheapest website at 1688, how you can make payment, and how you can detect inferior product, and how you can actually ship your goods from the site to your shipping company warehouse, and how you can do a lot of things about this Pindodo website cheaper than 1688. I'm going to do a lot of things about it. So if you are very new to this channel and you are very much interested to learn more about importation from me, you can subscribe to this channel, and also if you have any further question for me in a private class, you can as well contact me via the phone number on the screen. If you have any question, you can put your question in the comment section down below of this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.